Ever got a comment that made you go, ouch? Stick around. I'm going to tell you why those tough comments might just be the best thing for you and me. Let's get real for a sec. You've got this awesome idea for a video. You're pumped. You plan it out, shoot it, maybe stumble through editing because let's face it, we're not all Spielberg on day one. Finally, it's ready. You upload your masterpiece to YouTube, feeling a mix of excitement and nerves. You're imagining the views, the likes, the positive vibes. Then you wait, and wait. The first comment pops up and it's not what you expected. Instead of great job, it's more like, this could be better. Your heart sinks a bit. Been there, right? Why do these tough comments hit us so hard? Let's peel back the layers. Imagine sharing something you've poured hours into, only to have someone poke holes in it. It stings because it's personal. But here's the twist. Every critique is a nugget of gold in disguise. Think about Mr. Beast, one of the biggest names on YouTube today. In his early days, Jimmy or Mr. Beast faced his fair share of criticism and setbacks. His videos weren't always the viral sensations they are now. He experimented, faced rejection, and yes, he too read comments that were less than kind. But he didn't give up. Instead, he listened, adapted, and transformed his content strategy. Now he's known for his wildly creative and generous videos, drawing in millions of views and changing lives along the way. Like Mr. Beast, PewDiePie, MKBHD, and others, the journey starts with understanding that feedback, even when it's tough, is part of the process. It's about learning what resonates with your audience, refining your skills, and staying true to your vision. That's why criticism, as much as it might not feel like it at the moment, is a gift. It's a sign that you're evolving, pushing boundaries, and most importantly, it means you're being noticed. Now let's make this more personal, right from where I'm at. My journey on YouTube? Well, it's still taking off. Comments are trickling in, not a flood, but each one catches my eye, especially the tough ones. At first, they felt like roadblocks, but then I remembered Mr. Beast's early struggles, how he flipped criticism into creativity. So here I am, not just dreaming, but doing. I'm taking each piece of feedback, sifting through for bits I can use to get better. It's about tweaking my videos, trying new things, and keeping the faith. Sure, I'm not raking in millions of views yet, but every comment, every bit of feedback is a step forward. It's my story, unfolding one video at a time, and it's a journey I'm proud to share with you. Navigating through the world of YouTube comments can feel like a maze, especially when you're just starting out. Here's how I've been turning tough comments into a ladder for my growth, and you can too. Number 1, pause and process. When a tough comment comes in, take a moment. It's easy to react in the heat of the moment, but the real gold is in your response. Give yourself time to absorb the feedback without taking it personally. Remember, it's about the video, not you. Number 2, engage with gratitude. It might sound counterintuitive, but thanking someone for their feedback can turn a critic into a supporter. It shows you're open and committed to improvement. A simple, thanks for your feedback, I'm still learning and appreciate your insight, can go a long way. Number 3, filter and focus. Not all feedback is useful, and that's okay. Learn to filter out what's helpful from what's not. If someone points out your lighting could be better, that's actionable. If it's just a troll being a troll, let it roll off your back. Number 4, implement changes. This is where the magic happens. Take that constructive criticism and use it. Was your audio a bit off? Look into better microphones or editing techniques. Confusing storyline? Plan your script more carefully next time. Every piece of feedback is an opportunity to up your game. Number 5, keep learning. The learning never stops. Dive into tutorials, watch videos from creators who inspire you, and always look for ways to sharpen your skills. The best YouTubers out there are always evolving, and so should you. Number 6, reflect and adjust. After making changes, take time to reflect on the impact. Did your engagement improve? Are viewers sticking around longer? Use this as a guide to continuously refine your approach. Number 7, stay resilient. Remember, every creator has faced criticism at some point. What sets the successful ones apart is their ability to keep going. Stay focused on your passion and the reason you started your channel in the first place. By embracing these steps, you're not just handling criticism, you're using it as a stepping stone to better your content, connect more deeply with your audience, and grow your channel. Let's turn those tough comments into our roadmap for success. So, tough comments? They're not the end of the world. In fact, they're just the beginning. Each one is a chance to grow, to improve, and to connect with your audience on a deeper level. Ever turned a tough comment into a win? Share your story below. Still finding your feet and feeling a bit stuck? Hit like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making your YouTube journey a success. Together, we'll turn those comments into stepping stones. See you in the next video.